Ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle? Today, I'm revealing the 11 laws of money that the wealthy don't want you to know. Stick around, because these principles could change your financial future forever. Imagine waking up every day knowing that money flows to you with ease. What if I told you that success is not just about hard work, but about understanding these crucial laws? Let's dive in. Law 1. The law of value. Wealth isn't just about what you earn, it's about the value you provide. The richest people in the world focus on solving problems and fulfilling needs. Ask yourself, what unique value can you offer? Think about your skills, your passions, and how they can be transformed into something that others are willing to pay for. When you position yourself as a provider of value, wealth will follow. Law 2. The law of investment. Money must work for you, not the other way around. Start by understanding different investment vehicles, stocks, real estate, and even your own business. Diversify your investments to minimize risk. The more you invest wisely, the more wealth you can generate over time. Remember, wealth is built, not earned. Law 3. The law of discipline. This is where many falter. Financial discipline means living below your means and saving diligently. Create a budget, track your expenses, and set savings goals. Discipline today leads to freedom tomorrow. Your ability to delay gratification will set you apart from the crowd. Law 4. The law of mindset. Your mindset shapes your reality. Adopt a growth mindset. Believe that you can learn and adapt. Surround yourself with successful, positive individuals. Your network is your net worth. The wealthy think differently. They see opportunities where others see obstacles. Law 5. The law of action. Knowledge without action is useless. Take consistent action towards your financial goals. Set daily, weekly, and monthly tasks that align with your aspirations. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start today. Law 6. The law of learning. Continuous education is vital. Read books, take courses, and attend seminars in finance and investing. Stay updated on market trends and economic changes. Knowledge compounds over time and can significantly amplify your wealth-building efforts. Law 7. The law of giving. This might surprise you. Wealth is not just about accumulation, it's also about contribution. When you give, you create a flow of abundance in your life. Consider donating your time or resources. The more you give, the more you receive in return. Law 8. The law of leverage. Use other people's time, money, and resources to amplify your success. Consider partnerships, mentorships, and even financial instruments that allow you to leverage your investments. The more you leverage wisely, the faster you can grow your wealth. Law 9. The law of patience. Wealth creation is a marathon, not a sprint. Understand that compounding takes time. Stay committed to your long-term goals, even when things get tough. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is wealth. Law 10. The law of focus. Concentrate on what truly matters. Identify your top financial goals and prioritize them. Avoid distractions and stay committed to your vision. In a world full of noise, it's essential to hone in on your path to wealth. And finally, Law 11. The law of legacy. Think about the impact you want to leave behind. Wealth is not just about what you keep, it's about what you pass on. Create a legacy that inspires others and contributes to the world. Wealth is built on understanding and applying these laws consistently. Start implementing them today, and watch your financial life transform. If you found this video valuable, hit that subscribe button and share it with someone who needs to hear these laws. Let's build wealth together. Until next time, keep striving for greatness.